Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating effects of exercise on the human body. In today's video, we're going to discuss what happens to your body if you squat 100 times every day. Squats are an excellent exercise for building lower body strength and can also improve your core and upper body stability. Doing 100 squats every day can help you achieve significant health benefits. Firstly, squatting can help build muscle mass and strength. Squats work the quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves, which are some of the largest muscle groups in the body. By performing 100 squats every day, you'll start to see an increase in muscle mass and strength in these areas. Secondly, squatting can improve your overall mobility and flexibility. Squats require a range of motion in your hips, knees, and ankles, which can help improve joint flexibility and mobility. This increased mobility and flexibility can also reduce the risk of injuries in your daily life. Thirdly, squatting can help improve your balance and stability. Squats require core and upper body stability, which can improve your overall balance and coordination. This can help you perform daily tasks more efficiently and reduce the risk of falls and other accidents. Furthermore, squatting can also help improve your cardiovascular health. Squats are a high-intensity exercise that can increase your heart rate and oxygen uptake, which can improve your overall cardiovascular health and endurance. However, it's important to note that if you're new to squatting, you should start slowly and build up gradually to avoid injury. Additionally, if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, you should consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise regimen. Squatting 100 times every day can have significant health benefits, including increased muscle mass and strength, improved mobility and flexibility, better balance and stability, and improved cardiovascular health. So, why not give it a try and see how it can help improve your overall fitness and health? Thanks for watching.